So you come in, main level, couple of games, chess,
You know, and you get
checkers.
this feeling like you have to duck as you walk through.
Really large room here. Really large room. And then you go out. Pretty large balcony here. Both sides open. And really can see how big this room is here.
Getting ready to sit out. But up in the middle, they would raise it up on the coaches.
He's saying that balloons look pretty nice here.
Sometimes have little windows, but sometimes not. But it was.
There's a little kitchenette here
Walking down the middle
with a
as you sat
fridge,
down,
sink,
you were a little bit lower.
oven, couple of things here. Now coming back out, you go up. Stairs. And then there's this huge party space here. Huge party space. Really open. He's suggesting that we grill hot dogs and just really easy stuff in this. That we use these buckets here just to chill beer. He's got a bunch of those buckets, so all we need to get is beer and ice and champagne and all that stuff. That's his little cubby hole, and I guess that's it.